Are you starting to outgrow your current house but feeling stuck because you don't have enough cash saved for a massive down payment on the next one? Welcome to video number 37, where we are showing you how to unlock the hidden wealth in your current home to fund your move into a bigger and better property. Many homeowners don't realize that they are sitting on a gold mine of equity that can be used as a down payment for their next purchase without having to sell their first home first. By using a home equity line of credit or a cash-out refinance, you can access the cash you need to make a strong non-contingent offer on a new residence. This strategy also gives you the incredible opportunity to keep your original home as a rental property, which starts your journey toward building long-term passive income. We will look at how to qualify for 2 mortgages at once, and how the potential rental income from your first house can help offset the new debt. Moving up doesn't have to mean starting from zero if you know how to leverage the assets you have already spent years building. Let's dive into the math of a move-up purchase so you can see exactly how much buying power you really have in today's market.